Guys, it's Candace. I know, sorry, I missed a couple days. Oh, but I did play while I was in here, so I just wanted to show you some cards that I did from the book. And then I just kind of wanted to show you up close. This is the other ones that we did, and they're all dry, so you can see the little glue is all dry on the snowflakes. But that's the one that we did the other day. And then this one, I put green sorry silk up there. But yeah, the little glossy accents on the popcorn really turned out cute. And then the same thing on Santa. I put, you can see the little sparkle iridescent crystals from Tulip on there, on his hat and pom-pom. And then, you know, all the little glossy accents on the popcorn. There you go. You can see some of them in on his beads. But yeah, they turned out really cute. So here's another one that I did on an index card and from the book. And I put glossy accents on the candy canes. And then some of the recipe eggnog wreath pie. So that's what they're feeding them. And then just a little label that you can write on. And then I put some snowflakes and then some iridescent crystals on the other snowflakes just to give a little more dimension. And then this is one from the book, a scrap page from the book. And I just put some, whatever that is, ribbon on top, some glossy accents that was in green, some glitter dimensional glue, and then just Holly Jolly Christmas and backed it on some green just so it kind of pulls in the little ornament. But that's that one. And then this was a page, as you could tell. And then I cut it in half. Well, not really in half, but just cut it. And I put this on a Project Life card. And then just put some iridescent crystals for some extra snowflakes on there. Put Jingle All the Way, because they have their jingle bells. And some snowflakes, and they're in there eating their little feed sack. But that's going to be a cute little journal card for one of them. And then this one, Miss Santa Claus, she's out there feeding them. And there's Nosy Rosie back there. Oh, I could have put a red, oh well, I don't know. I wonder if I should put a red thing on there for that to be Rudolph. I might. But anyway, I put some Nouveau drops on here, some light blue, crystal blue. And then I put, let me see if I can pick it up on the, there you go. Around her fur, I put the tulip crystal on there too. Oh, I'm sorry, having trouble talking. Then I'm going to put a tab up there, a tag. And then this one, Santa came out really cute. So I put some more of the, I wish this would pick up how sparkly it is. But anyway, I put the crystal on here, put it on the cat too, and then put some like raspberry dots in there because it was kind of pinky in here. And then put some washi tape down the side. And I think I might go back with the glossy accents and do the candy canes. Well, if I'm going to do that, I might as well do Rudolph. And then there's this one here. It was, you know, like I said, one extra page from the book, and like the back had some of the writing on there as far as the publishing and stuff, and you really couldn't use it in a journal, but I didn't want to lose some of these cute little pictures, and I just put some Nouveau drops on there in the green, and then some more recipe, and then this is from some card kit, and I thought that would be real pretty and would go with there. And I'm probably on this one, I have this little green tab. I'm probably going to put a tab on here, but I'll have to wait and see if it's going to work in the journal I'm putting it in. And then there's this one. I just put it on a 3x5 card, and it was just, actually, it kind of went like this. Santa was down here and the reindeer were up there. So, but I saw his little mitten. I thought that was cute. I didn't want to throw it away. So I just put a little label on there, some washi tape, snowflakes, and then some iridescent crystals. And that's a cute little journal card. And then this one here had the reindeers. I just put Snow Much Fun, and then little sleigh rides from the Junk Journal Studio. That one's from Junk Journal Studio too, the labels. And then, ew. Oh, I thought that was, I had a string, but it's from the music page. Oops. And then I put, like I said, some sequins and some glitter, whatever those are, snowflakes, and just a little piece of recipe card, some music sheet on there. And that's on graph index card also. And then this is a big long part that was on a page. And so I just put some sparkle red dots on here, glitter dots, put some washi tape down the side, and just put a little label and some more recipe on page on there, and then just put it on green paper so you can write on it in any color and it would all show up. So that, I know, short and sweet, but I just wanted to come in and do a quick little video, just, you know, to say hey, and didn't want y'all to think I ran away. Trust me, I thought about it, but I didn't. And then I will get, tomorrow I'll do some of the random picker things and get a couple of winners for my little elf thing. Oh, I left my elfie thing. I have a little elf upstairs. Well, anyway, here, there. That's just going to have to work now. But I'll get my little elfie thing and show you next time. All right. Oh, and then there's these two too. But I got to do something to them. All right. So short, sweet, extremely short. So I was looking to see, make sure I had everything that I did. Yes, and so they're all dry. Okay, so thanks for sharing some of your time with me. Thanks for sharing some of your day with me. I will be back tomorrow with a regular video, some regular projects, and I had put some of these things in a journal, but I lost the video. Don't even get me started on the YouTube issue. But but I have a couple of the other ones that I got to finish to put stuff in there, so I can do a little flip through the ones I put in and then put some of the other ones in there. But and then we will get cracking on some other stuff, okay? So I will see y'all on the next video. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. Here's some kisses. Lots of love. Floating heart, lots of love. And I will see y'all tomorrow. So I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. There you go. Oh, look, I laid it just on there. Hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. And guess what? New Year's coming. Oh, Lord, please let it be a good one. All right, guys. I'll see y'all next one. Have a great day and a blessed day.